Hey guys, Pete from Pete2Cents.com, March 15, 2010. It's incredible. We did it again. The Bulls did it again. Bounced back from the red. Even though we had some financial news that the shorts would have loved to say that it was going to take down the markets, which you can read anywhere. You can read it on the Wall Street Journal, Investors.com, whatever. But big financial news today. Congress trying to put some new and implement some rules with a new law, to control the markets and the financial institutions. But here or there, I don't like talking about politics. I like to trade. So even with that news and the shorts talking that news was going to take down the markets, bottom line, it did not. I mean, we were pulling back nicely, which I have no problem. Actually, in the last and the last couple of days of last week, I was looking at this trend here that we've been having. This is a 3-month chart that we have of the S&P 500, and the 5 days started turning downward. And I figured it was going to pull back because we've had a hell of a run. For several weeks now, we've been running upward nicely, diagonal. Not skyward, but nicely. And I was waiting for a nice pullback, and we're still expecting, or I'm still expecting, a pullback. So keep that in mind when you're trading. But as far as the overall market, we were down like 30, 50 points. And the last hour of the day, the golden hour, like I like to call it, we rallied. Buyers came out, institutions came out, put a lot of money to work. And we ended up with the Dow up 17 points, S&P up just a little bit less than a point. NASDAQ was down 5 points. I'm not buying too many tech stocks lately. I own Google. That's about it. And Google has dipped so much that, I'm buying on every dip. Today was down like $22. So, you got to take advantage of those dips. I think Google is going to get into the 600s, maybe even the 700s without a problem. They're doing some wicked and some phenomenal things in the technology industry. So, I'm still bullish on the market. If you see here, we've beaten all our support and resistance areas, so we've been rallying up, and the 5-day turnaround that was starting to pull back actually is passing the 1150 mark. We're at 1150.51. That's where we closed out, and it looks like we're going to go higher, but expect, okay? Don't forget, because you know how Wall Street is. They like to catch you with your pants down, so don't get too happy, You can buy stock, you can build your position, but do that. Build your position. Don't back up the truck. If you back up the truck, you're gonna get hurt, and you're gonna get hurt bad. So build your position. If you get a little bit of a whiplash on a pullback, you can buy the dip. You're not gonna feel too much pain. So keep that in mind. So overall, market conditions are still looking good. We've passed this resistance area, or we're trying to pass it actually, from the 1150 mark. We keep, trading in a range there. So are we going to really break through 1151 and push through? I don't know. We got to see. But I would, my positions are a lot lower. I picked up some AK Steel today, which I said in a past video. Picked up some Google. And that's about it. I'm playing the market very carefully because I'm expecting a dip. So keep that in mind. Okay, guys? Market conditions are still bullish. Expect a pullback. And that's about it for today. Pete from Pete2Cents.com. You can catch me on MiamiPete.com, which is my Twitter for stocks. And you can also friend me up on Facebook at Pete2Cents.com. Okay, guys? Talk to you soon, and we'll talk tomorrow. Thanks.